Our powerful product family comprising the models Scrubmaster B75R, B120R and B175R. These Scrubmasters can access nearly all areas and will get you almost anywhere. Ladies and gentlemen, please see for yourself and welcome the Scrubmaster B120R. At a single glance, the brush and pad wear indicator shows the operator exactly when it's time to change the brushes or pads and whether or not a brush or pad is currently installed at all. Cleaning the recovery tank is also particularly easy. Smooth inner walls throughout the tank prevent dirt from sticking to the surface, and the spray nozzle take care of the rest. The Scrubmaster B175R is living proof of the fact that Hako always thinks about the operator. This powerful scrubber dryer reliably cleans large commercial and industrial areas. The one-button operating system is a typical Hako feature and implemented in all Hako products. Another practical feature is the slow mode.
To release the brushes, it's very easily. We bring the cursor into the right position, push the button for one time, then we push it for the second time, and the brushes falling on the floor. So we can check now the brushes, clean it, and bring it back under the machine.
At the beginning, I told you that the Scrubmasters can access almost all areas, and that is really true. Let's take the Scrubmaster B75R. Very much for your kind attention. Now it's your turn to get on stage, try it out, take a pleasure, and invite you to go and test drive with the machine, ask some questions, be curious, and have a nice day here at the Interclean. Thank you.